how to hide active status on Instagram for one specific person. So in order to do that, you need to head over and click on your inbox icon right around here. When you click on that, for example, head over to the person that you want to hide your active status into. So I want to do this on this person. So what I can do is I can head over and click their name. And then from there, you can see in here a lot of things. When you click on the options, you can see this option right here for restrict. So let's click on restrict right here and click on the restrict right here on the bottom. So what this will do is when you're online or you read their messages will be moved to message requests, which means that you will be able to hide your active status since you will be able to see their message, but they won't be able to see that you've already seen them. So only you will be able to see their new comments on your posts whenever they comment or anything for that case. So for that, just head over and then restrict them, or you can also try to mute them as well. So that's how to hide active status on Instagram for one specific person.